Have you ever wondered why some gardens thrive beautifully while others struggle, even with the same care? The secret might be something simple you already have at home. Aspirin. Hello, my dear friends. Today we're unlocking how salicylic acid in aspirin helps plants grow stronger and fight diseases naturally. Plants produce salicylic acid when they're attacked by fungus, mold, or bacteria. It works like their internal immune signal, alerting every cell to defend itself. But here's the amazing part. When we give this boost from outside, plants become healthier, tougher, and more productive. It prevents fungal diseases before they even start and helps plants handle heat, humidity, and dry spells much better. Now here's a bonus homemade ingredient: aloe vera gel, a natural source of enzymes, antioxidants, and plant hormones. When mixed with aspirin, it improves nutrient absorption, boosts root growth, and helps the plant recover faster from stress. How to use it? Dissolve 1 300 milligram aspirin tablet in 2 liters of water. Add 1 tablespoon of fresh aloe vera gel and stir well. Spray it on the leaves or water the soil. Both work perfectly. Begin early on your seedlings and repeat every 3 weeks, especially after rain. Just don't overuse it. Too much aspirin can stress plants,